Okay, what we're going to have a look at is page 92. It's this one here, plotting real life graphs. So I'm going to do this now with you, okay? Just take you through it. First of all, we're going to have to draw in a wee set of axes. Now, I do want you to use a ruler for this, please. So just draw in a wee axes. Now, it'll be a wee bit harder if you don't have graph paper, but I do appreciate that. You may not have it, but just try your best, okay? And we're going to go up in, we'll go up to 100. So 100, 90, 80, 70, 60. So you're spreading out. 50, 40. Need to extend my line down. 30, 20, 10, oh, and one more. Okay, 0. That's the cost. And you must write in there your units as well. Now, I've got to put in the weight, so it will go along the bottom. And if you have your book, or if you're using lined paper, or even blank paper, just try and spread them out evenly. And then you plot it. 1 goes up to 15, 2 up to 30, 3 up to 45, and 4 up to 60, and 5 up to 75. And just take a ruler and just join them up. Now, notice my 5 was on the wrong place. I could see that instantly because it wasn't going to give me a straight line. Now, how much would 6 kilos be? So go across to where 6 would be, go up and go across, and it'll be 90 pence. So part B, 90 pence. And part C, 3.5 kilos. So go to 3.5, up to your line and across, and it is 50 pence. So that's the first one. Hopefully that wasn't too bad for you. Question 2. So this time we will go draw wee axes. You notice I always start off with the vertical axis to see where I'm going to put the horizontal ones. Always start off like this. So I would go up to 15. So 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. See if I put wee dashes, look, 3, 2, 1, and I need one more. Make sure your numbers go on the lines, not in the wee gaps between them. And this is the cost. Cost goes up the side, and it's in pounds. And along the bottom, we're going to have the weights. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's in kilo. And make sure you put weight there. Now, draw the graph. So 1 is up to £2.50, 2 is up to 5, 3 is up to £7.50, 4, sometimes it's easier to use a ruler to help you. 4 is up to £10, and 5 is up to £12.50. And again, just join them all up. Part B, 6 kilos. Well, it would be here for 6. My graph doesn't go up that far, so I will just extend my graph that little bit. So there's 6 kilos up to here, £15. And part C, 2.5 kilos would be in here, up to there, £6. So hopefully that one wasn't too bad. And number 3, I think I can fit it in here at the bottom. So its distance will be up the side, and I have to go up to 300. So I think I will try 50s. So 300, 250, 200, 150, 100. Often it's the scale that people find the hardest to do. And then distance is in kilometres. And then along the bottom we will have the time. So it's going up in halves. So not half an hour, 1 hour, 1.5. Again, it's on the lines. It's not in the gaps. So it's 3. So naught goes to naught. A half goes up to 60. 1 goes up to 120. Now again, it's a wee bit harder to draw these numbers because they don't fall exactly on the lines. 2 up to 240. And 2.5 up to 300. Now, of course, you could use a different scale. To me, that's no problem at all. Joining them up. Part B. How far do you go in 1 1/4? So 1 1/4 is between 1 and 1.5. So it's in here. And it goes 150 kilometres. And part C, 3 hours. So 3 hours, my graph doesn't go up as far as 3 hours. You can see I'm going to go make a mess of my page here. See if I have to extend it up there. Bit annoying. So 3 hours would be here. Oh goodness, my scale is poor, isn't it? And reading across there, if I extended it on up, it would be about 360. Now I am cheating a wee bit, and I'm going to show you how I'm cheating. See the way 1 hour is 120, so 3 hours is going to be 360. So I did cheat a wee bit in that one.